Hey guys, I'm Thomas. I'm gonna be your general manager out here at your brand new Crunch Fitness Outer Loop location. I am super excited and I wanna show you guys around. Let's go. So down here we have our Relax and Recovery hallway. Down this hallway you will find two different styles of tanning beds. We have the lay down level 4 tanning beds and then we have the stand up level 3 tanning beds. We also have got our hydro massage chairs. Now, the hydro massage chairs are absolutely great and phenomenal for recovery. What the hydro massage chairs do is they'll take water pressure, they'll heat it up, and they'll use it to give you a deep tissue massage where you can target different areas of your body that are starting to bother you. It's absolutely one of my favorite parts of the gym. As we go this way, you're gonna see we walk into our small group training area. This is our functional HIIT zone. So over here you have got tires that you can flip. You got sleds you can push. We've got heavy bags. If you're one of those people that likes to box, we have group fitness classes that are based around that kind of thing. There's also wall balls, we got slam balls, we got rowing machines. There's two different styles of kettlebells. Anything that you want to do to build stamina, to build endurance, to be able to gain a little bit of strength can happen over here in our small group training zone. Definitely make sure that you check out those HIIT zone classes. They are phenomenal. Moving over towards this way, we are getting into our resistance area of the gym. We've got a leg press, a hack squat, and another leg press. We have got two different styles of barbells over here that you can do your curls on. There's the fixed one and then there's the regular straight one. And we have two Smith machines as well, as you can see right here in front of you. This is one of the coolest rooms in the gym. Over here is your power racks with your Olympic deadlift platforms. There are 7 of them and we do have them isolated to its own area of the gym. I'm absolutely sure this is gonna be one of the most popular areas of the entire place. Now, over towards this area is where all your flat benches are, your inclines, your military barbell presses. There's 9 dumbbell racks. The dumbbells start at 5 and go up to 120 pounds. Doesn't matter if it's your first time on dumbbells or if you've been doing it for years, there's definitely enough weight over here to facilitate anything that you were trying to do and trying to achieve. Resistance training, to me, is one of the best ways to work out. It's one of the best ways to burn fat, helps with your metabolism, helps with your energy level, and it's just all over good. Down here towards our machine sides, you'll see the ones that are wrapped in orange here. This is our half-hour power. It's where if it's your first time into a gym and you just want to get a great workout, you're able to come in, get your full body worked out in 30 minutes. This is our cable area over here. Cables is another way to gain muscle while you're doing resistance training. The benefit of doing the cable machines is that it's going to keep resistance on your muscles the entire time that you're going through your repetitions. As you can see, all of our machines are brand new. They are state-of-the-art. It does not get any better. Over towards this side of the gym, we have our group fitness studio. So in group fitness, we offer over 200 classes on a monthly basis. Some of the most popular ones are Zumba, you got Pilates, you got regular yoga, there's Top It Off, there's the belly button thigh boot camp. A lot of people come in here and use this to achieve their goals. It's great because it gives you a support system. You have plenty of classes to choose from. It becomes its own little community inside the gym and make sure that you are crushing every single one of your goals that brought you into the gym with ambition. Let's continue on this way. There's so much more to show you. I can't wait for you to see the rest of it. So over here, which I would definitely have to say is one of my favorite points of the entire gym, is gonna be your fully functioning cycling studio. So in here, there is brand new state-of-the-art Schwinn bikes. Every one of them will light up to different colors when you reach certain target heart rates. The class will last 45 minutes. In that 45 minutes, you can easily take all 500 calories. They'll have you do sprints on the bikes. They'll have you do uphills on the bikes. You have a live instructor out in front of you. They get the music pumping. They create their own vibe. The lights are going. It's definitely one of the coolest classes that we have. With our peak results plan now, you get to have unlimited cycling classes. So it's definitely something that you want to look into and take advantage of, is this room right here. As we continue on, we have our upstairs. Now our upstairs has miles and miles of cardio. I'm not sure that there is another Crunch Fitness gym that has all of their cardio equipment upstairs, and not many gyms actually do it either, and I cannot wait to show you that part. All right, so like I was saying, not many gyms have all of their cardio equipment upstairs. We decided to put all of ours up here, that way people could be out of the way, they could focus, they could have their own cardio vibe up here. So not only is it cardio equipment, but you're gonna find yourself in your own stretching zone. So as soon as you come up the stairs to the left, you'll find an area that's secluded from the rest of the gym that you can come in, you can work on mobility, you can work on flexibility, you can work on your abs. We have GHBs, we have decline abs, we have the back extensions. There's also pull-ups, dips, assisted dips, and leg raises. We decided to put a couple of the rowers over here just because it engages some of the same muscles as these machines over here. So that way it can become its own workout zone on this area. We also have a mile long of treadmills. There's 34 treadmills up here. Every one of these treadmills is brand new. It is made by Matrix. We also have 12 Stairmasters. There is more cardio equipment up here than anybody could ever want. I don't care if you're running marathons, if you're a sprinter, if you're just trying to build leg muscle, if you're working on your calf muscles. It doesn't matter, you're gonna be able to do all of that up here. We've got our ellipticals up here. We also have stationary bikes, and we have our regular recumbent bikes as well. Recumbent bikes are great when you're trying to do a low impact on your knees, on your lower back. You got ankle problems, but you can still get a good cardio workout in with the recumbent bikes as well. All right, so as you can see, we have got plenty of space. We have got 35,000 square feet of workout equipment here. We are located in the Timberwood Shopping Circle at 4235 Outer Loop. So make sure that you come by and take advantage of everything that I've shown you today. Now over here on this side is where our fitness professionals are stationed. I don't care what anybody says, I recommend a consultation with the fitness professionals just because it's gonna get you to where you wanna get faster. We do have a kickoff program that we offer here at Crunch Fitness, and it's called the Kickoff Program. So make sure that you ask one of the people up at the front desk about your kickoff so we can make sure that you're crushing your goals and doing it in half the time. All right, I appreciate your time, and I hope that you enjoyed everything that you were shown here today. So don't forget, when you come down to Crunch Outer Loop, you got cycling studio, you have our small group training, you have those 200 a month group fitness classes, you've got tanning, you've got hydro massage beds, you've got free weights, barbells, an entire room full of squat and power racks. This gym is like no other, and we cannot wait to meet every one of you guys.